Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Afiq. Today we're going to learn on how to play basic guitar chord. Firstly, I'm going to show the partition of guitar. As we can see from this picture, from the top of the guitar, which is headstock, there has tuners for tune the guitar. In the middle, this is also called as neck, has 3 partition which are nut, frets and position markers. Lastly, at the bottom, which is body, there are 5 partition which are sound hole, saddle, bridge pins, bridge and pick guards. Okay, before we start our lesson, you need to know how to hold guitar properly. First thing first, you need to make sure the body of the guitar on top of your thigh. Firstly, from the bottom, we have a thin to thick string, which are E, B, G, D, A, and E. In playing guitar, we use every single finger to make strings to sound. Every finger, which are thumb, index, middle, ring and pinky, are important to play this instrument. In order to play your favorite song, you need to learn at least a basic guitar chords. Now let's start our lesson on how to play basic chord. Firstly, to playing A chord, we use these 3 fingers, which are index, middle and ring finger, to play all of these basic chord. You need to put index finger on the 4th string at the 2nd frets, middle finger on the 3rd string at the 2nd frets, and ring finger on the 2nd string at the 2nd frets. So the sound will be like this. This is A chord. Next, A minor chord. This chord also use these 3 fingers, where index finger we put on 2nd string at the 1st frets, middle finger on the 4th string at the 2nd frets, and ring finger on the 3rd string at the 2nd frets. So the sound will be like this. This is A minor chord. After that, we are going to play C chord, where index finger on the 2nd string at the 1st frets, middle finger on the 4th string at the 2nd frets, ring finger on the 5th string at the 3rd frets. So the sound will be like this. So this is C chord. Next, for the G chord, we put ring finger on the 1st string at the 3rd fret, middle finger on the 6th strings at the 3rd fret, and index finger on the 5th string at the 2nd fret. So the sound will be like this. So this is G chord. Next, D chord. Place your index finger on the 3rd string at the 2nd fret, middle finger on the 1st string at the 2nd fret, and ring finger on the 2nd string at the 3rd fret. So the sound will be like this. That's the D chord. Next, let's go to the D minor chord. D minor chord, you need to put index finger on the 1st string at the 1st fret, middle finger on the third string at the second fret, and ring finger on the second string at the third fret. So the sound will be like this. This is D minor chord. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to play E chord. This chord we need to put index finger on the third string at the first fret, middle finger on the fifth string at the second fret, and ring finger on the fourth string at the second fret. So the sound will be like this. This is E chord. The last chord that I want to show is easiest chord, because we just need to use two fingers, which are index finger and middle finger. So to play this chord, we need to put this index finger on the fifth string at the second fret, and middle finger on the fourth string at the second fret. So the sound will be like this. This is E minor chord. Okay, so as I said before this, in order to play your favorite song, you need to learn at least basic guitar chords, where you can watch other tutorial video on how to play guitar for beginner lessons. Whether you are young or old, there's no better feeling than learning to play an instrument. While many attempt to learn the guitar, it is unfortunately very common for beginners to give up after only a couple of months. Guitar lesson with an instructor can be expensive, and it can be frustrating if you are not seeing progress immediately. So I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this video is beneficial to you and who are watching. Good luck and thanks for watching. Bye.